everyone, Luke here with another video. In today's video, we're going to be talking about the newest RSIM update. Let's go. Hey everybody, so the RSIM update is here. Haven't personally tested it yet, but we could see prices rising after the Middle East holidays. So once everybody starts buying again, we could see prices actually go up. I'm really thankful to hear that and just glad to see this update because I've been sitting on some inventory debating whether I should sell it on eBay, sell out, or just hold out. So I think this is my answer as far as that, and I'm sure for a lot of you out there that have been holding inventory or been debating on what to do with it, this is a good sign. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to roll this clip throughout the video. I'm going to show you guys that, and then we're going to kind of close on this video. But basically, it's a video put together by the people who actually make the RSIM videos. So you're going to see in this video all of the stuff and the patch and exactly what they did and how they changed the RSIM so that it should work this time and hopefully not get banned or fixed, whatever you want to call it. So it's really interesting how the market is so huge that every time Apple tries to fix the RSIM or patch it or whatever you want to call it, fix the glitch, it is back up and running within, I mean, it's only been, I don't know, 3-4 weeks. Now, Apple seems to be getting faster and faster at taking these down. However, the funny thing is the market is so huge that it just keeps revolving. It's like a never-ending wheel. It's like a hamster on a wheel. Doesn't matter how many times they fix it or patch it. RSIM keeps coming out with either updates or new SIM cards to bypass whatever update or glitch fix Apple throws at them. So that being said, I'm going to be rolling the clip. I'm sorry if I seem a little bit tired in this video. I'm absolutely exhausted. I was up at 5 a.m. this morning, had a bunch of stuff to do at the bank, and just kind of been running around all over today. It's been absolutely crazy. And then I saw this video and I was super happy to see that prices may go up after the Middle East holidays. So that being said, I'm going to roll this clip. We'll kind of end on, this clip in the video, and then the video will just kind of phase out. So if you don't see me, that's why. Thank you guys for watching and everything. Make sure you guys smash that like button, hit subscribe. I hope that you've been enjoying all of this free content in 2019. Every single video, every single day. I mean, a video every single day. It's crazy. So I hope all of you have been benefiting from it. I hope you've learned something in phone flipping. And I hope that you find my channel not only valuable, but I hope that you find me transparent. I strive to be the most responsive and transparent coach on the internet when it comes to phone flipping. I really want people out there to win. There's so much to know in this business. And, I'm putting all this content out there to show you guys, I know so much about this business that I can literally do a video every single day and talk about a different topic, or upcoming news, etc., and just kind of voice, my experience on it, etc. So it's been kind of fun so far. We're basically halfway through the year. I think we're at like the halfway point. It's kind of interesting. And then as of January, I don't have to do a video a day anymore. It's going to be kind of weird because I'm so used to doing a video a day. But anyways, that being said, I just kind of wanted to say, I hope you guys are getting value from my channel. I really do. So, and I hope everybody out there has made extra money or, made more money by watching my channel or whatever. And if you signed up for my course, I appreciate that too. Glad to have you as a student. I can't wait to help people get to $5, $10, $15, $20, $30,000 a month in sales, phone flipping. So, it's a huge industry. There's billions of people out there using smartphones. I couldn't think of a better industry to be in as far as, some side cash or even a full-time income if you want to scale this business. So, that being said, anyways, back to the RSIM update topic. We will now roll the video. Make sure you smash the like button, hit subscribe, and thank you all for watching. Without further ado, here is the RSIM video update. Let's hope for prices that go sky high again. Let's hope they go up. So that being said, I'm going to roll the video.
RSIM 12 plus V16 and RSIM 14V18 fully automatic perfect stable version of the new My Mode unlock card incoming. Recently, due to the iPhone background server found the SIM ICCID number and activate multiple iPhone optimal data online at the same time, Apple shut down the activation service of the locked ICCID at 4:20 a.m. on July 20th. So all the locked ICCID unlocked modes are prompt to activate the data area caused the unlocking. The RSIM team actively targeted the unlocking problem and designed the activation program. Finally, on August 8th, the RSIM team will activate the unlocking area program and release it. RSIM 14's V18 and RSIM 12's V16 fully automatic and stable new My Mode unlocked version of the card. It is not only fully automatic unlocking, simple operation, and achieves the perfect function of base station signal, 4G internet access etc. Stable can be called lock-free iPhone. Let the lock machine continue to be equivalent to no lock. Our SIM team continues to create the first car sticker perfect stable unlock leader, provide technical services for the unlocked SIM card industry, bring to the no lock benefits for the lock machine users. The RSIM team continues to thank you for your continued support. Thank you.